2022 tax refund still processing. Welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back in today's update. Many of you are still waiting on your 2022 tax refunds beyond the normal 21 days. We are going to go over what others are sharing in terms of that process. Let's go ahead and get started to where is your 2022 tax refund. We are starting with from the IRS.gov website. It states that why is your return being reviewed? We select some returns to examine so we can determine whether income, expenses, and credits are reported correctly. This does not mean you made an error or were dishonest. This is what the IRS is stating on their frequently asked questions on the IRS.gov in terms of why your return may have been pulled for review. They are reviewing it for accuracy. Doesn't necessarily mean that you made a mistake or you are trying to be dishonest. Now, here is a sample letter someone received in terms of the IRS made changes to their 2021 tax return. It stated that they changed the amount claimed as the recovery rebate credit on the tax return. The error was in one of more of the following: the social security number of one or more individuals claimed as a qualifying dependent was missing or incomplete. The last name of one or more individuals claimed as a qualifying dependent does not match their records, or one or more individuals claim did not qualify. All right, so this is one of the reasons if you receive your third stimulus check and you claimed it on your 2021 income tax return, that will cause delay. It was you were supposed to claim the recovery rebate credit only if you did not get the third stimulus check, not the missing first or second, only if you did not get the third stimulus check or you did not get the full amount of the third stimulus check. This person reported that the person who did their taxes messed up line 30 on their tax return, and line 30 on Form 1040, here's an example of Form 1040, is the recovery rebate credit, as you can see. So you can go and review your 2021 tax return to make sure line 30 is correct. If line 30 is not correct, you know you received your third stimulus check and you claim that on your taxes. That is why or maybe the reason why your return is still delayed beyond the 21 days. Also, if you are receiving the delayed message that your return is still being processed, a refund date will be provided when available. Many are reporting they had this exact message and they needed to verify their identity. So if you are getting this message that a refund date will be provided when available, try to contact the IRS or the Taxpayer Advocate Service to verify your identity. All right. Also, if you claim new dependents this year that you didn't previously claim, that is not shown in the IRS system, this is also a reason your 2021 tax return may have been pulled for review. Many are reporting who are still waiting, who filed in January, they claim new dependents. So if you know you claim new dependents, this can be why your refund is still being delayed or processing. Also, here is a sample letter from the IRS if the IRS is needing additional information or if they are reviewing your tax return. For example, it says here, we selected your return to verify one or more of the following: income tax withholding, tax credits, or business income. You will receive this letter in the mail from the IRS if they are indeed processing or verifying your income. It says their taxpayer we receive your income tax return and are in the process of verifying its accuracy. We are holding your refund until we finish reviewing the information that you reported. So they may also be reviewing your income information as well as your W-2 1099. So here is the sample understanding letter 4464C, which is this letter right here. It says that what this letter is about, it is about verifying your income and your income tax withholding. All right. So this is also another reason why you may still be waiting beyond the normal 21 days. Here is an example letter if the IRS is making corrections. It says here that please read the following information related to your tax situation, topic 151, your appeal rights. It says we have received your return and it's being reviewed. So topic 151 on the IRS.gov website, it says the IRS will send you a report or a letter that will explain the proposed adjustment or proposed action or taking action or taking collection action. The correspondent also will tell you of your rights to generally request a conference in regards to your appeal. So if the IRS makes any corrections to your return that you do not agree with, you can appeal that decision and they will send you a notification letting you know. It says we made changes to your tax return that changed the amount of your refund. You will receive a notice that explains the changes they made. So if they make any adjustments or changes, you will get a notice in the mail. And in previous videos, I mentioned that you can also log into your IRS online account. At the very top, you will see notices and letters. Sometimes the electronic portion of that notice will be on the website. All right, so you can check there for that. Now, here is the taxpayer advocate number. There were some comments of people who are getting through to the taxpayer advocate number. So if you want to try calling the taxpayer advocate, if you cannot get in contact with the IRS, it's taking you longer, try the taxpayer number, which is 1-877-777-4778. And here's it's a suggestion from someone who called and got through to the taxpayer. They stated to press 1, then 1 again, and the person waited 2 hours to speak with someone. If you are calling the IRS or the taxpayer advocate service, do not call when you cannot be on hold for hours. Many people are saying they cannot reach the IRS. It's more than likely because they are not redialing. You have to stay on the phone and keep redialing when it hangs you up. That is the process of trying to speak with the IRS. Do not call the IRS if you do not have 2 to 3 hours to spend, because you literally have to sit there and keep redialing. Sometimes you get through in less than an hour. It all depends on the situation and the amount of calls that day. Sometimes you get through within an hour, sometimes it take an hour and a half, but you have to be willing to sit there and redial. So if you don't have time, don't call them until you can sit there and redial. Check the previous video where I share other numbers that you can call to contact the IRS directly. All right. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please comment and share with others any additional information that you have in terms of why tax returns are still processing beyond 21 days. And don't forget to hit that notification bell and come back for all of the tax information that matters to you most. I am doing the research so you do not have to. And I will see every one of you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.